It's back! Behind the Blocks is here and season 2 is coming soon. Hey everyone, I'm Tom, the Colourblind Quilter, and I am so excited to finally be announcing season 2 of Behind the Blocks. Last year we made a sampler quilt with 12.5 inch blocks that were based on squares and rectangles, and this year we are back, but this time we are focusing on flying geese and HSTs. We are going to be making a sampler quilt with 12.5 inch blocks that are going to give you a lovely quilt at the end of this. But this time round we are doing things a little differently, and we're doing this as a block of the month program. And so every month there will be a new block and a video to accompany it, and there'll also be a free pattern download for you. And in the pattern download will be all the fabric requirements, cutting instructions, and then step-by-step instructions with diagrams showing you how to make this block. And then we will have some example quilts that you can make using just that single block. And in the video, I'll take you through the block step by step with all my tips for success when it comes to making this block and any things that you need to watch out for. At the end of the series, when we've finished all of our 12 blocks, there will be 2 more bonus videos. One will show you how to attach your borders and get everything finished and ready for quilting. And then the second is going to draw from my This Is How You Quilt It series, and I'm going to take you through lots of examples of different designs that you can use to quilt your quilt so you can get it finished and get it done. So if you are excited and you want to take part in this series, this is what you got to do. In the description below, there is a link to join the mailing list. And that's important because what happens is once you sign up, you get the free worksheet with all the fabric requirements to make the entire quilt and all the cutting instructions for all of the blocks. So you can do all your prep. And then each month when the video is released, you'll get the email, and the email will have the link to the video and the link to download the pattern for that month's block. So you'll find that link in the description below, so make sure you sign up. Even if you're watching this after we've started, you can still sign up and the software will send you all the relevant emails so that you don't miss out on anything. You'll also find on my website a page all about this, and it has everything you need to know, and each month I'll be posting all the links and everything in there as well, so you can use that to catch up too. So if you're going to take part, I'd love it if you would share on social media so we can spread the word and we can get lots of people involved in this. So I've created this snazzy little graphic that you can see, and you can share it on social media using the hashtag BehindTheBlocks2, and we can show off to the world what we're making. You can also find in the description below the fabric requirements to get you started so that you can get it ordered. And you'll be wanting to work on your colours, so I've set up a lovely little colouring page in PREQUILT that you can use for free. You can play with colours and you can decide how you're going to make this. On my website page, which is in the description link, I've also included some different colourways for you, so if you're looking for some inspiration around this, you can see what I've done and some other ideas that I've come up with. And when you've done your colourway, share it on social media so that we can see what you're going to be making. If you're wondering what Behind the Blocks is, then I'm going to leave a link to the playlist for Behind the Blocks Season 1 below. So if you fancy taking part in that, you can get all the videos and everything that you need for that, and you can watch it and see what kind of stuff is going to be coming up in Season 2. So make sure you do everything that you need to do to take part in this. Get everything you need in the description below. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started. I really hope you're going to enjoy this and have fun with me as we sew this sampler quilt. So March 11th, put it in your diary. That's when the first video comes out. Get everything you need in the description. Have fun, and we will see you then. Oh, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when all these videos come out. And yay, sewing!